Chalo, I can see 37 participants. 37 students are there. Mm, should I start or should we wait for a few minutes? Should I start? Hmm? Or should I wait for a few minutes for rest of the students? Okay, students are still joining. 39. Okay. Okay, I will start. I will start because I will have to go to OPD also. It's already very late. Mm. Okay, I will start. So last time we have finished with cannabis indica. Cannabis indica, I think we have finished with. So we are still in delirium poisons. First delirium poison we have finished is Datura. We have seen all the D's of Datura. Then we have completed cannabis indica. I think cannabis indica is also finished. Yes, cannabis indica. We have seen that road poison and all. Now, today we will start with new delirium poison. Next delirium poison, that is cocaine. Cocaine is also a delirium poison. So cocaine, it is derived from, it is alkaloid. Cocaine, it is alkaloid derived from coca, the dried leaves of plant Erythroxylum coca. So dried leaves of the plant. From these dry leaves of the plant Erythroxylum coca, this alkaloid is derived. Its physical properties: it is colorless. Cocaine, it is colorless and crystalline substance with bitter taste, slightly soluble in water but freely soluble in alcohol. It will dissolve very nicely in the alcohol, but is sparingly or slightly soluble in water. Now, its basic signs and symptoms are: it causes numbness of tongue and mucous membrane of mouth. Numbness म्हणजे बधिरपणा, म्हणजे जिस किसी बॉडी पार्ट के कांटेक्ट में ये कोकेन आएगा, that part will become anesthetized. That I will tell you in the next point. You might have heard the name xylocaine. कहाँ इस्तेमाल करते हैं xylocaine और lignocaine? You might have heard, अगर किसी ने सुना है xylocaine, lignocaine कहाँ इस्तेमाल करते हैं? Anyone सुना है? This is the allopathic medicine, but have you heard the name this xylocaine or lignocaine? कहाँ इस्तेमाल करते हैं? उसके सामने ही लिखा है ना मैंने. समझो किसी को स्टिचेस डालने हैं, समझो कहीं सर, हाँ सर फूट गया या कहीं फट गया, तो क्या हमें टाके डालने हैं, स्टिचेस डालने हैं, टाके लेने हैं, तो क्या करना पड़ेगा हमें? टाके लेने के लिए या कोई भी सर्जरी करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? पहले एनेस्थीसिया देना पड़ेगा ना. वो इतना एरिया जो है, वो दैट पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी जहाँ स्टिचेस डालने हैं, वहाँ एनेस्थीसिया देना पड़ेगा. तो वहाँ उस जगह पे जो इंजेक्शन देते हैं, दैट इज लोकल एनेस्थेटिक. तो ये जो जाइलोकेन है, मार्केट में आता है जाइलोकेन या लिग्नोकेन नाम से, it is a local anesthetic, that is a synthetic preparation of cocaine, that is artificial or synthetic preparation or synthetic substitute of cocaine. So this xylocaine, you can just remember it by the name cocaine, CAINE, and you can see here xylocaine, CAINE. So this xylocaine or cocaine, it is a local anesthetic, that is synthetic substitute of cocaine, that is used for लोकल एनेस्थीसिया. सो कहीं भी टाके डालने हैं, कोई सर्जरी करनी है, तो क्या करते हैं, वो पार्ट, वो लोकल एनेस्थेटिक इंजेक्शन देके सुन करते हैं, बधिर करतात त्याला. सो here this cocaine, this derivative of cocaine is used. So it is used as local anesthetic. It reduces appetite, it causes fatigue, that we will see all the signs. This is just the introductory part of cocaine. It is aphrodisiac. Aphrodisiac means to increase the sexual power, as well as duration. So it is used as aphrodisiac and it gives pleasant intoxication, that we will see in the clinical picture. So these are the some images of cocaine plant, its fruits and all. Its leaves, you can see that characteristic appearance of its leaves and fruits. So this is cocaine plant. Now we see signs and symptoms of cocaine poisoning. Again, just like other deliriants, just like other deliriants, cocaine causes first stimulation of the nervous system, and it will be followed by depression of the nervous system. Remember, opium, all the poisons acting on the nervous system, central nervous system particularly, they cause first stimulation. They will have stimulant action, and it will be followed by depression, that is narcosis. So in the early stage of poisoning, there will be signs and symptoms because of stimulant action, and this stimulation will be followed by depression of the important vital centers in the nervous system. So the clinical features of stage of stimulation, the first stage of stimulation, as we have seen in opium, in alcohol, in dhatura, in cannabis indica, in all these poisons, the clinical features will pass through these stages. So first stage will be stage of excitement or stimulation, where the patient will have dryness of the mouth and bitter taste, because that cocaine is very bitter in taste, and the patient will have sense of well-being. Now you can see in the introductory part here, there is pleasant intoxication, what we have used the term, the last line, प्लेजेंट इंटॉक्सिकेशन. तो पेशेंट को ऐसा ड्राउजीनेस गिडीनेस वगैरह आएगा, लेकिन पेशेंट को अच्छा लगेगा, दैट इज प्लेजेंट इंटॉक्सिकेशन. सो दिस प्लेजेंट इंटॉक्सिकेशन विल कॉज सेंस ऑफ वेल बीइंग. पेशेंट को बहुत अच्छा लगेगा वो उसका जब सिम्टम स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे ड्यूरिंग द स्टिमुलेंट एक्शन. एंड इट कॉजेस इंक्रीज्ड फिजिकल एंड मेंटल एनर्जी. बहुत अच्छा लगेगा पेशेंट को, उसकी ताकत बढ़ेगी. So patient will have increased physical and mental energy, and also increased sexual desire, because it is also used as aphrodisiac to increase the sexual power as well as to increase the duration of the sex. So it will increase the sexual desire. Patient during this stage, patient will become restless, excitement will be there because of stimulation of the nervous system, and delirium will be there. During this stage, patient will have flushed face, dilated pupils and blurred vision. Flushed face, dilated pupils and blurred vision. Heart rate will be increased. Heart rate is increased, pulse rate will be increased, respiratory rate will be increased, and there will be rise in body temperature. Body temperature will also be slightly elevated. Now there will be incoordination, muscle twitching, and in some patient there can be even convulsions. So excitement इतना ज़्यादा होगा कि patient can develop the convulsions. Now this stage of stimulation or excitement will be followed by stage of depression. So depression in this thing, now initially the respiratory rate was high, but now respiration will become feeble, it will be suppressed, and patient can develop collapse, and there can be respiratory or cardiac failure. It is very simple stage of excitement and stage of depression. So fatal dose is 1 gram. Cocaine, if it has been taken in the dose of 1 gram, it will be fatal for average sized adult. It is readily absorbed through mucous membrane. That's why 30 milligram can be even fatal. 30 milligram can also be fatal if it has been injected or directly introduced into the certain mucous lining. So if it is readily absorbed through the mucous membrane, that's why 30 milligram can also be fatal. Fatal period, because of its great solubility, तुरंत एब्सॉर्ब हो जाता है. नाउ यू माइट हैव सीन, तुम लोगों में से किसी ने देखा भी होगा, टाके लेने के लिए वो जो इंजेक्शन देते हैं लोकली, झाइलोकेन या लिग्नोकेन, तो इंजेक्शन देने के बाद ऐसा रुकना पड़ता है क्या ज़्यादा दिन कि बाबा चलो अभी ज़्यादा टाइम तक, क्या समझो अभी एनेस्थीसिया का इंजेक्शन दिया, कहीं तो जख्म हुई है, टाके लेना ज़रूरी है, स्टिचेस डालना ज़रूरी है, तो वहाँ वो लोकल एनेस्थेटिक इंजेक्ट करने के बाद ऐसा नहीं कि 15 मिनट 20 मिनट आधा घंटा बैठ के रहना पड़ता है एनेस्थीसिया का इफेक्ट आने तक. द एनेस्थीसिया इज इमीडिएट बिकॉज इट इज हैविंग ग्रेट solubility. So cocaine is having great solubility, that's why symptoms are rapid and death can occur in 2 hours, within 2 hours, if the poison has been consumed in fatal dose. So it is having very short fatal period. Treatment, if cocaine has been injected, if the cocaine has been injected, now there are two ways. If it can be swallowed, certain preparations can be swallowed, and there are, just we have seen, it can be used as a local anesthetic. So if it has been used in the form of injection, if the injection has been given at some part of the body on the limbs, you will have to go for tight bandage, what we call it as tourniquet. The last T is silent, so you should call it as tourniquet. So दिस टूर्निके दैट इज टाइट बैंडेज इज टू बी अप्लाइड, जैसा सांप वो आप काटने के बाद नहीं क्या वो टाइट बैंडेज लगाते हैं सो दैट द पॉइजन शुड नॉट गो अप एंड स्प्रेड टू द रेस्ट ऑफ द बॉडी, वैसा यहाँ दिस टूर्निके इज टू बी अप्लाइड so that the spread of the cocaine will be prevented if it has been taken in the injection form. And if it has been inhaled, if it has been inhaled via nose or throat, it should be washed with normal saline. If it has been swallowed, उसके कुछ प्रिपरेशन भी आते हैं, दो लीव्स फ्रूट्स एंड ऑल. So if it has cocaine has been swallowed, if it has been taken orally, stomach wash should be given with potassium permanganate or tannic acid. रेस्ट ऑफ द ट्रीटमेंट इज सिम्टोमेटिक, अगर उसको रेस्पिरेशन में डिफिकल्टी है यू विल नीड ऑक्सीजन और वेंटिलेटर लाइक दैट. सो रेस्ट ऑफ द ट्रीटमेंट इज सिम्टोमेटिक. एंड इफ द पेशेंट इज इन अ स्टेट ऑफ एक्साइटमेंट, बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइट हुआ है, वायलेंट हुआ है, इधर उधर नाच रहा है, दंगा कर रहा है, तो यू विल हैव टू गो फॉर बारबिचूरेट, दैट इज यू विल हैव टू मेक द पेशेंट काम. सो बारबिचूरेट दे के उसको सुला देना है. एंड इफ द पेशेंट सर्वाइव्स फॉर फर्स्ट 3 आवर्स, जस्ट आई हैव टोल्ड यू फैटल पीरियड इज 2 आवर्स. लेकिन अगर कोकेन पॉइजनिंग के बाद पेशेंट अगर 3 घंटे तक, पहले 3 घंटे तक अगर उसे कुछ कॉम्प्लिकेशन नहीं होते, द पेशेंट विल रिकवर नाइसली. सो लार्ज नंबर ऑफ केसेस विल रिकवर इफ द पेशेंट सर्वाइव फॉर फर्स्ट 3 आवर्स ऑफ पॉइजनिंग. सो फर्स्ट 2 आवर्स आर वेरी क्रूशियल, by which time the patient can die. So if the patient survives for first 3 hours, recovery is chances of recovery are more. Okay, so this is about the acute cocaine poisoning. Now there is one short note which is commonly asked: chronic cocaine poisoning. Chronic cocaine poisoning can be asked as a short note. If the patient is addicted to the cocaine, because we have seen its effect, it is an aphrodisiac, it increases the sexual desire, it increases the sexual power. So it can be used for regularly for sexual activity. So it can cause addiction. Also it is having pleasant intoxication. It is having pleasant intoxication. That's why it can be a substance of addiction. So it can be used for addiction purpose. So addiction of cocaine will give rise to the condition called as cocainomania. Cocainomania. So higher centers will be depressed, higher centers will be suppressed, and that will give rise to certain maniac condition or certain mental or psychiatric condition, what we call in general as cocainomania. So addicts generally take the cocaine by subcutaneous injection. वो खुद उनके हाथ से ही सीरीज में भर के सबक्यूटेनियस इंजेक्शन लेते हैं कोकेन का. और स्नफ मतलब उसके जो प्रिपरेशंस आते हैं, ड्रॉप लिक्विड्स आते हैं, वो हैंडकरचीफ में डाल के, रुमाल पे डाल के, दे टेक इट एज अ स्नफ, और दे कैन आल्सो टेक इट इन द पान. So it can be taken by 3 routes: subcutaneous injection, or by inhalation in the form of snuff by putting it on uh, handkerchief or like that, and it will be inhaled and will cause pleasant intoxication and will induce the sleep. Or it can be swallowed mixed with the pan or something edible thing. The person who is taking this cocaine for long period, maybe snuff or particularly ingestion form, the tongue and teeth will become black. उसकी tongue और teeth पूरी तरह से black हो जाएंगे because of the local effect of the cocaine. Anorexia, weakness, if the person is consuming this cocaine for long period, maybe for addiction or for this sexual function or for that pleasant intoxication, नशे के लिए, if it has been taken for long period, the person will develop anorexia, weakness, weight loss, tremors. There will be tremors, हातापायाचा थरकाप होणे, tremors, and impotency can also be there. Increased erotic tension in women. That is again the side effect. Increased erotic tension in the woman. Nymphomania is increased sexual desire, and it can lead to sexual perversion, that is abnormal sexual desire. Another commonly asked 2 mark question is magnum symptom. Magnum symptom, or also called as cocaine bug, it is very commonly asked as a 2 mark question. Magnum symptom or cocaine bug is patient is continuously having feeling of grains of sand under his skin, or as if the bugs are creeping under the skin. मतलब ऐसा, and that is particularly on the limbs. तो पेशेंट को कंटिन्यूसली ऐसा लगेगा कि उसके स्किन के ऊपर से या स्किन के नीचे से कोई तो कीड़ा, एखादा एंट और एखादा इंसेक्ट जा रहा है उसके स्किन के नीचे से. सो इन दिस वे देयर विल बी अ फीलिंग, कंटिन्युअस फीलिंग ऑफ ग्रेन्स ऑफ सँड, असे वाळूचे दाणे किंवा एखादा किडा वळवळतोय त्वचेखाली, दॅट इज टॅक्टाईल हॅल्युसिनेशन, दॅट इज द टॅक्टाईल हॅल्युसिनेशन. सो देर इज द कंटिन्युअस फिलिंग ऑफ ग्रेन्स ऑफ सँड अंडर द स्किन अँड इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज कोकेन बग्स. बग बग म्हणजे छोटा किडा. This magnum symptom, the synonym for this magnum symptom is cocaine bug, because patient is continuously having the feeling that some bug is continuously creeping below his skin. That's why he continuously tries to remove it. कंटिन्युअसली असं त्याला वाटते की त्याच्या त्वचेखालून एखादा किडा वळवळतोय आणि तो कंटिन्युअसली काढण्याचा प्रयत्न करतो. दॅट इज magnum symptom or cocaine bug. Very commonly it is asked as a 2-mark question. So you can write it in 2 lines. It is seen in chronic cocaine poisoning. The name only will suggest you the answer, cocaine bug, if it is asked as a cocaine bug. So it is seen in chronic cocaine poisoning and patient is continuously having the feeling of creeping of bugs below his skin and he continuously tries to remove it by pinching. That is cocainomania with cocaine bugs. Medico-legal aspect. Generally the poisoning with cocaine. Generally the poisoning with cocaine is seen accidentally. Accidental poisoning occurs when it has been used as anesthetic or aphrodisiac. Anesthetic I told you. किसी पेशेंट को अगर स्टिचेस लेने हैं, सो एनेस्थेशिया देने के लिए अगर उसकी उस जख्म में, उस लोकल इंजरी में अगर वो एनेस्थेटिक ड्रग इंजेक्ट किया वहाँ कोकेन का प्रिपरेशन, दैट ज़ाइरोकेन और लिग्नोकेन, तो एक्सीडेंटली ऐसा हो सकता है कि उसका डोज बहुत ज़्यादा जाएगा. तो जख्म बहुत बड़ी होगी तो ज़्यादा देना पड़ेगा ना उस जगह पे. पूरी वो जख्म इन्फिल्ट्रेट करने के लिए यू विल नीड लार्ज डोज ऑफ ज़ाइरोकेन एंड एक्सीडेंटली इट कैन हैपन दैट large amount of zyroquine can be injected into the wound and it can cause poisoning. It can cause the development of signs and symptoms of cocaine poisoning. So there can be accidental poisoning by when it has been used as anesthetic. And another thing is aphrodisiac. If the cocaine has been used, cocaine is being used as aphrodisiac, occasionally its large dose can be taken and it can cause poisoning. So accidental overdose when it has been used as anesthetic, or accidental overdose when it has been used as aphrodisiac. Then prostitutes generally inject this cocaine into vagina, that is again for increased sexual desire and also for the local constriction feeling in the vagina, because it causes local constrictive feeling and a sexual excitement in the females. So prostitutes generally inject this cocaine into the vagina, which causes local constriction feeling and increased sexual desire, and in males it is applied to the glands to increase the sexual desire as well as to increase the duration of the sex. So that is the medico-legal aspect. Accidental poisoning by overdose during anesthetic or when it is used as aphrodisiac. Prostitute inject it into the locally inject it into the vagina for local constriction feeling, and in males it is applied to the glands to increase the duration of sex. This is the medico-legal aspect of cocaine poisoning. Okay, so this is about delirium poison. So we have seen 3 delirium poison from your syllabus. Dhatura, we have seen all the D's of Dhatura. Then what is second? Cannabis indica, and third one is कोकेन. इनमें से तीन में से एक पे क्वेश्चन आना ही है. 100% ये तीन में से एक क्वेश्चन आता ही है थ्योरी में. एंड 2-mark questions are there. So many 2-mark questions are there. There can be fatal dose, fatal period of Dhatura, or there can fatal dose, fatal period of cannabis indica. There are also a few 2-mark questions I have already told you, and here also cocaine bug. Again fatal dose, fatal period, or short note as chronic cocaine poisoning can be asked as a 5-mark short note. इनमें तो एक क्वेश्चन आता ही है तेरे, and they are very easy to write, and you will get good marks. Very easy to score. Okay, here we have finished with 3 delirium poisons. Any problem or anyone having difficulty? Understood everyone? समझ में आ रहा है? Yes, everyone? समझ में आ रहा है? कळतंय का? एनी प्रॉब्लेम? अरे बोला काहीतरी हो नाही. So important three related poisons are there from your syllabus. Okay, then I think today I should stop here because it's very late now. I will have to go to OPD also. Okay, then.